All right, Maddie, I'm going to answer your question here. Don't mind the background noise as my 10-month-old is playing in the toy room here. But, so for this type of problem, it says iron 3 bromide is mixed with barium hydroxide. So they don't give us much in terms of what could be in potentially for the products. They just give you the reactants, right? So you have the right idea down here with this, but iron 3 is iron plus 3, and then bromide is just bromine, and it's -1. So those are two, that's a compound. So it's Fe with +3, and then bromine with a -1. So the formula that's made is FeBr3. Okay? Because the 1 would go to the Fe, but we don't write 1 down. And they're saying that this is mixed with, so mixed with is basically meaning like the plus symbol. So it's mixed with barium hydroxide. So barium is Ba and hydroxide is OH. Barium has a +2 charge, hydroxide has a -1. Okay? So if we were to crisscross this, this becomes BaOH2. Kind of like so. Okay, so now this is our reactants. So at this point, you want to say, what type of reaction is this? Okay, and I have a compound and a compound. So my type of reaction would be double replacement. Okay, double replacement. Right, Finn agrees. Okay, so in a double replacement, you're just changing or exchanging the metals. Okay, so my Fe and my Ba trade spots. They're swapping. So now I have barium with bromine, and I have iron with hydroxide. Okay, and I'm going to shift all of this over so I can have some room to add some stuff. Okay, now it's always important in a double replacement reaction to go back and check your charges. Barium is +2, bromine's -1, Fe is +3, and then hydroxide is -1. And I got all those charges just from what we were doing previously. So nothing's changed in terms of the metals. Like we mentioned before, iron is +3. So this formula, FeOH, actually becomes FeOH3. And then barium and bromine, it becomes BaBr2 because you crisscross those charges. Okay, and then this turns into, we just need to balance the whole thing. Okay, so I have OH3 and OH2, so I'm going to say I put a 3 and a 2 there. Okay, now I want to balance my bariums. I have 3 bariums, I only have 1. So I put a 3 there. Now that changes my bromines to 6. So I got to put a 2 here. On this end. Sorry, not a -2. There we go. And then I think I have it balanced. Yeah, everything is balanced now. Okay, now in terms of writing the word equation, what you have to do for that is just write out what you see down here, but in words. Okay, and let me show you how to do that. I can kind of take what's written up here and just copy from it. So I have iron 3 bromide. It's mixed with barium hydroxide, so I'm just going to steal it. Is mixed with barium hydroxide. The arrow, you can kind of just interpret that as like saying to make or to form. So I'm going to just say to form. And then you list your products. BaBr2 is barium bromide. And then the plus sign in the products, just you can refer to that as and. And FeOH3 is iron 3 hydroxide. Now, we didn't give you any states of matter in the reactants. So for this problem, I would not hold you accountable for states of matter, saying if something is solid or a liquid or a gas or aqueous. So we just take it as is. Okay? All right, I hope this helps, and please feel free to send me another one.